After you have completed the construction of the desk board, slide the desk board between the left and the right desk arm brackets. Push the desk board all the way back so it sits up against the desk arm hinges. Grab the 8 3/4 inch long wood screws that are included in the white hardware box. Drive the screws through the 4 holes on each side of the desk arm brackets as shown here. Do this for the left and right side arm brackets. The only step left is to level a desk board, which may be required depending on your setup. This is done by opening the Murphy bed as we normally would. Look at the desk board and see if it is parallel to the floor. Most likely, the desk will not be leveled and will require adjustment for the first time. Grab the level and the 7/16 wrench. Remove the plastic acorn nut, then loosen the flange nut. While checking a level, slowly move the arm bracket up and down until it is leveled according to the level. The desk board should be parallel to the floor when you are done. Once the desk is leveled, retighten the flange nut until the bolt does not slide in the slot. Put back the acorn nut. You do not need to tighten the plastic acorn nut too much. Repeat the same steps to level the right side of the desk. The full installation and setup of the Murphy bed desk is now complete. Visit the help section on our website for more resources or contact our support team if you require more assistance during the installation or setup of your Murphy bed desk hardware.